But I have a question as a member of parliament. You spoke about so many recommendations since 2011, 2016, and we are 7 to 12 years further, and with a totally different results. You spoke about also making information of the government available to the general public in order to be better controlled. But all those advices that you give, recommendations, are not very public, not even to the parliament. And we are the controlling body. So why don't we see those advices, recommendations to the government in order for us to do a better work also?
All the recommendations of the central bank are published on the website, and they are available, and they have been discussed many times with the government and all governments, and also in some occasions with the parliament.
Geen geheimen dus wat betreft de aanbevelingen, no secrets.
Nee.